welcome to Chaz and Dad. I'm Dad, and that's Chaz over there behind the camera.
Hello.
Today we're going to be working on a 1999 Daimler Super V8. This is the one with a supercharged 4-litre engine in it, and as you probably recognise, remember, it was used as transport for royals and for prime ministers in the late 90s, early 2000s. This one is a particularly nice example, full service history, only done about 66,000 miles. It's sapphire blue, as you can see, with grey leather upholstery. There's a couple of things though that let it down. First of which we're going to work on today is one of the door check straps. Now the door check strap, for those of you who don't know, is something that holds the door open when you open it and also stops it opening too far. Because if a door opens too far, it tends to bend itself against the wing. This one, the check strap had broken, so that the door clicked and groaned and wouldn't stay open. And it made the car feel really sort of old when you opened the door. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I've already taken the door trim off, as you can see, and there are separate videos on how to do that already on YouTube. And what we're going to do is start looking at the check strap and the fitment of it in this part of the door here.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is a check strap. This is actually the replacement, and it bolts into the door here, as you can see, inside there, and then connects to the door pillar, and that's what gives you the resistance to the door opening, allows it to stay open at certain points. Now, here's the old one, and you can see it's well and truly broken. It's bent and one of the tabs has broken off, so obviously that's no use. So we've got a replacement, easily found on eBay. What we've got to do now is straighten up the metal here. We're going to put a plate in to reinforce the inside so that the new one doesn't just pull through as well. Big washers on the back, and that should make it as good as new again. Okay? Hello again, this is the reinforcer plate for our check strap. As you can see, we've just taken a bit of standard, actually stainless steel, but any old steel would do. We've bent the edges upwards to make it stiffer so it doesn't just fold. We've also drilled holes in it for the check strap, and we're now in the process of filing out this central hole to get it big enough to get the check strap through. And that would then complete the job. So. Okay, so after a lot of sawing, filing and bending and drilling, our flat plate has become this reinforcer plate, which, as you can see, the check strap fits through, and then we'll bolt it through to the car there, put some washers on the back, and that will then give it a nice, firm, secure place to rest. As you can see, we've turned up the edges. That's just to make it stiffer so that it can't pull through the door. So that should be good when we fit it back to the car again.